Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the Windows 11 desktop icon and shortcut slow loading problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all press Control Alt and Delete button. Go to your task manager, and after doing this set, find out a Windows Explorer. Select a Windows Explorer. Click on right click on End Task. After doing this stat, go to your file, click on Run New Task. After doing this stat, type a percentage local app data and percentage. Click on Create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK to continue. After opening that, first of all, click on a view, go to your show, and make sure that first of all, check the file name extension. After that, click on view, click on show, and make sure that selected the hidden items. After doing this stat, go to your Microsoft. After that, find out a Windows, open a Windows. After that, find out a Explorer. Open Explorer. After doing this stat, delete all DB files. Select it. No. After doing this stat, close it. Click on File, click on Run New Task, and type a Explorer .exe. Create this task with administrative privileges and press OK. Now, close it. After doing this stat, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search type a regist, open a registry editor, right click run as administrator. After doing this stat, select a HKey local machine and expand it. Select a software and expand it. Select a Microsoft and expand it. Scroll down and find out a Windows. Here is a Windows and expand it. After doing this stat, select a current version and expand it. And after that, find out a Explorer. Now here is a Explorer. Right click, new string value, and set a name is max space cached space icons. Open it and set a value data is 4096. Click OK. Close the registry editor. Close it. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.